Hey everybody, welcome back for another sublimation tutorial. Today we are going to do a mouse pad sublimation. This is a sublimation mouse pad from Amazon that you can order off there. It comes in a 10 pack for like $14. So we're going to go ahead and do that with this design here that I've already printed out. I believe it was a 25 by 21. It does overlap just a little bit so that you have a little extra room when you're doing your sub. So go ahead and do that. You'll start with your image facing upwards and then center your mouse pad to where it's going to be in the middle there. And always make sure that you do measure your mouse pads. They all come in different sizes and shapes, so always make sure you're measuring before you print. Today I'm going to use my painter's tape to do my tack down to hold it down. And it works just as well as heat resistant tape, but it has a little more grip so you're not moving around this whole your image. Just like that. All right, so now you got that down, you're gonna flip your image over. And then I'm gonna use my little heat press. Yes, it's just the Cricut, it's the small one, so I'll do it in sections for you. I have it set here at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. If you have a larger one, you can just do one press, but I'll do separate presses and I will fast forward for you so you don't have to sit and wait. So before you press, you want to put your parchment paper over. If you use butcher paper, that's great too. I find that parchment paper is a little less expensive and it's more cost effective, but whatever works for you, great. So now go ahead and press. And I'll fast forward this part for you. All right, so we are done pressing. As you can see your image through the paper and the parchment paper. That's usually a good indication that the sublimation process worked and you're gonna get a good product out of that. So being very careful because it is really hot at this point. Remove your parchment paper or whatever you've used. And then you'll pull back your image. And be careful because the mouse pad is gonna be really hot. But that is going to be what your result will be. And it came out really nice, really pretty colors. If you enjoyed this quick video, go ahead and boop that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share for others so they can get helped as well. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting.